Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Ulric, Quebec, is a charming municipality in the Gaspé region. Nestled between the sea and mountains, Saint-Ulric offers breathtaking scenery and a peaceful small-town atmosphere. Its picturesque location features views of the St. Lawrence River to the north and lush, forested mountains to the south. Saint-Ulric is a place where nature and community thrive together. Visitors can enjoy a variety of outdoor activities, such as hiking, fishing for trout and eel, exploring waterfalls, and even blueberry and strawberry picking in season. The town also boasts unique attractions like a historic covered bridge, craft workshops, and public access to the seaside. During winter, the fun continues with dog sledding, ice skating, and other seasonal activities. The town's history reflects its strong agricultural and commercial roots, with many local businesses contributing to its vibrant community. Whether you're stopping by to relax or explore, Saint-Ulric has essential services like restaurants, farmers markets, accommodations, and more. Its welcoming vibe and scenic surroundings make it a delightful spot to visit or simply pass through on your journey. If you love the great outdoors, Saint-Ulric is sure to leave you with lasting memories. From the soothing breezes of the mountains to the ever-changing tides of the river, this village is a hidden gem on the Gaspé Peninsula.
Thanks for watching!